Don't run away. Don't run away. Why you have that green stuff on your mouth? Yeah, let me get it. Let me get that green stuff out of your mouth, baby. Wait, let me see, let me see. Let me see, I won't hurt you. I'll never hurt you. You're my love. Baby. Let me get it. Please? 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 Good boy. Good boy, you did it! Yay! Welcome back to my channel with Lucky. This is our Boxycharm Luxe unboxing. This is gonna be the last time that I do this Luxe unboxing for YouTube. The reason is because I find myself not even using the makeup or using the tools or product that they send me. So he moved. Look at that. Look at that little teddy bear. Oh, I can't zoom in. Dang it. Look at that teddy bear. Oh, baby. Hi. Hi, baby. Look at all that hair going everywhere. Let's get right into this video. Unboxing. First, oh my God. I didn't even want this and they sent this to me. QMS, which is super expensive. Like, hold on. I need to tell you the price. Guys, guess how much this is? $200. Straight up. A lip line corrector lip serum. And I've heard mixed reviews that people said they've used it and they don't even see a difference, which sucks. But usually with any treatment, it takes about 30 days and then you see a small change. Next thing is the cutest little smallest Brazilian bum cream. So they've sent me the huge one before and this is the tiniest little version of it, and the small version runs for 15 bucks. Boxycharm created palettes. Check out those shades. I mean, in the lighting you can actually see the reflection on some of the shades. I always wanted to try this, to be honest, because I'm wearing like a little pincha thing right here. Elastic bands, rubber bands, it pulls your hair and it actually gives you split ends, versus something like this doesn't. So it's a hair ring. They would hang their keys off of this kind of stuff. So I don't know. I feel like my hair would not stay in this, and that's why I prefer those pinchas, which is the elastic bands. That palette runs for $39. Heck no, I know that's not worth no $39. NARS. This is my first NARS product. What? Oh, look at this sleek packaging. Oh, so nice. Let's see what shade we got. It's looking like a burgundy. This is like a burgundy hot pink kind of shade. What? I don't know if I'm gonna like that. Elizabeth Mont. It's a smooth shadow eye pencil duo. Creamy eye pencil. And then this is the other shade in pearl. It's the cute little tiny cocoa one. So we got two little babies. Oh, this is a gel liner shade. Yeah, I love this shade. It's like a burnt brown. Heck yeah. So we'll be using this as our lip liner. Black Smart Facial Cleansing Device. This I was really excited for, because I've never had anything with those silicone bristles to actually help clean the face deeper, and I've been dying for something like this. So this actually runs for $99. That's crazy. It has 7,000 vibrations per minute. It deep cleanses and lifts and firm. Comes with a battery, nice. And it's super soft, like silicone soft touch. And it has a little cup so that way you could just stand it up. Wow, this is impressive. I really like this. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Like and comment. Tell a friend to subscribe. Share this video with others. Hit that bell. Get your friend to subscribe. Let's keep on rolling. Hit 600 subscribers. Get a part of Yaya fam. And let me know what you want to see next. You guys have a blessed day. Bye.